How to delete search history on YouTube. Hi everyone, it's Sophia to assist you today. Without any delay, let's jump right in. First, open YouTube. Log into your account, then click on your profile located at bottom right corner of your screen. And then click on settings located at top right. After that, you'll find this kind of screen pop up. In here, simply go to manage all history. Simply click on manage all history and you'll find this kind of screen pop up. In here you'll find your watch history plus search history. Scroll down, as you can see, searched for. So to delete, click on cross and you will be able to delete. If you want to delete all at once, click on delete option and then click on delete all time. If you don't want to do this every time, simply scroll up, go to controls. In controls, make sure there is no tick mark and include your searches on YouTube. After you're done, simply scroll down, click on pause, click on got it, and you're good to go. This is how to delete search history on YouTube. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest the topic? Comment below. I am Sophia signing off. Until next time.